Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. Can you tell that I really enjoy plants? If you're anything like me, then plants are part of your family, and that's why when Spike here got sick, I was really glad that I found this fungicide spray by Growers Alley. This fungicide spray prevents and kills powdery mildew, which is what I needed it for my plant. I could see results within the first few hours of the first application. I treated it again a second time, and I continued to see an improvement in my plant. And the great thing about it is I could also see new growth from this plant, so it wasn't dying. My plants are indoor, I keep them inside in the winter, and I needed something that was going to be safe for my entire family. Another point that it brings out on the bottle that I really like is that you can actually harvest the same day that you've used this item. So if you need to treat your plants for black spot, mildew, this is a great purchase. It's something that I'm really glad that I found, and I really am happy with. I think you will be too, and that's my point of view.